Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about a supplement that really kind of transformed my skin and just really helped me in healing my acne. I'm going to be talking about that one supplement and also two other supplements from the same brand. The brand that I'm talking about in today's video is Kallistia. The Acne Cleanse from Kallistia was recommended to me by my functional practitioner as part of my acne healing protocol. So because of that, I was intrigued to try out some of their other products. Now, this video is in partnership with Kallistia. I'm super excited. Of course, as always, opinions are always my own. I would not take a partnership with a brand if I wasn't genuinely interested in the brand or like the brand. And the Acne Cleanse is actually something that I have been taking for 5 months, and I started taking it because it was recommended to me by my functional practitioner, so it's not just random. I have seen amazing results with this supplement, and they actually also have a hyperpigmentation supplement as well as a newer supplement that they just launched. It is their anti-aging complex. You can get these three in a kit. It is called the Perfect Skin Kit. So I'm going to tell you guys about all of these supplements, and I'm also going to show you guys my before and after results with using the Acne Cleanse so far. Like I mentioned, I have been using this for 5 months and I have seen such good results. Now, I have done other things in addition to using this, things that were recommended to me by my functional practitioner. If you guys do want to hear more about my acne journey and the other things that I have done to heal my skin, definitely check out my acne journey series playlist. That will give you a lot more information from the very start, how I found out the root cause of my acne. But I'm gonna go ahead and go through all three of these supplements, let you know what they're supposed to do, what the benefits are. Starting off with the Acne Cleanse. The Acne Cleanse is supposed to support complexion and clear skin. It's supposed to help with clearing any acne breakouts. It's supposed to help reduce breakouts, help eliminate pimples and zits. It's also supposed to reveal your inner glow, and it is made from all natural ingredients, which is really nice. I have done a full dedicated review on this supplement. If you guys want to hear my more in-depth thoughts on it, definitely check that video out. I will link it in the description box below. It's also in my acne journey series playlist, but that will just give you more of my in-depth thoughts if you check out that video. But this is supposed to be kind of like the natural form of Accutane. That's kind of what I've heard about it. It's supposed to be a natural alternative to Accutane, and I've been so honestly like really blown away by this. Ever since I started using this, I feel like I just started getting even more drastic results, and my skin was just healing even faster, and I just got amazing results. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys results pictures right now. So as you can see, some really amazing results. I'm just so impressed with how well this has been working. So this has a vitamin A in here. It has vitamin C, niacin, pantothenic acid, zinc. It also has some nice natural extracts. It has wolfberry, Echinacea purpurea root, white willow bark extract, burdock root extract, chickweed herb, red clover, dandelion root, fish oil powder, witch hazel leaf, white oat, and white oat bark. So it has a lot of natural ingredients in here that are supposed to be really helpful for healing the skin, kind of calming inflammation, and just giving you a clearer complexion. So I've been super impressed by this. I highly recommend this. It's so good. Also, I do have a discount code for you guys to get 10% off if you guys do end up wanting to try any of these. The code is Danny10. It's not an affiliate code or anything. I do not receive any compensation in return for you using that code. So then going on to their Hyperpigmentation Cleanse. I have not used either of these ones consistently yet, but I still want to tell you guys about them and who they're good for. Now, the anti-aging complex, I'm 25, so I don't think that I am necessarily the targeted audience to use this to be able to like show you guys actual results, but I'm still going to go over what it's supposed to be helpful for and things like that. You know, I don't have like wrinkles or things like that I would be able to really show you guys results for in using this, but I mean, I could still test it out. If you guys want me to do that, let me know, and I can kind of show you guys before and after pictures and see if I did actually notice a difference. But I'd say this would be more targeted for people that are a little bit older than I am. So yeah, But anyway, back to the Hyperpigmentation Cleanse. Now, like it sounds, it's supposed to help with those post-acne marks. If you are somebody who suffers with really dark leftover marks after a blemish heals, then this is definitely worth checking out. Now, my functional practitioner did say that this is one that I could go ahead and start trying. I have not started trying this consistently, but I do really want to try it. I've had a lot going on recently. I was in an accident where I really hurt my arm. Anyway, that's kind of off topic, but basically I haven't been able to really start using this consistently yet, but let me tell you guys what exactly it is supposed to be helpful for. So the hyperpigmentation is supposed to help improve uneven skin tone, help reduce discoloration, helps lighten pigmentation, including dark marks and melasma, helps make your skin luminous, and again, this is made with natural ingredients. So that's really great. All of Kallistia products are made with the natural ingredients. So I definitely will eventually test this out for a period of time, probably like 3 months or longer. I might just continue using it if I really see some great results with it. But I definitely am somebody who does deal with leftover acne marks, so I could definitely test this out. Let me know if you guys want me to do a whole dedicated video about this, and I can definitely do that for you guys. And then lastly, the anti-aging complex. So this is a powder product, so you mix this with water. Again, this is made with natural ingredients. It's supposed to help to reduce skin damage, helps to increase the skin elasticity, restores healthy levels of collagen in the skin, helps reduce wrinkle formation, improves skin texture, diminishes the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and it has a delicious and refreshing pineapple flavor. So the fact that this is supposed to be helpful with like skin texture, it also has some probiotics in here, I believe. Yes, it also has a probiotic blend in here. So that is kind of something that stood out to me that made me very interested in trying it. Now I have tried this before. I just haven't used it consistently. And the taste of this is really, really good. So what you do is you mix 1 scoop with 8 to 10 ounces of water per day. And it kind of tastes like a muted like juice, like a muted pineapple juice, if that makes sense, but it's really refreshing. It's not an overpowering taste. I feel like maybe if you're not even a huge fan of pineapple, you still might like this because it's not like a super, super strong pineapple taste, but I love pineapple, so I love the taste of this. I think it's really good and refreshing. Sometimes powders just like don't taste good, so I'm very impressed by the taste of this. It tastes really, really good. So besides helping with diminishing the appearance of wrinkles, this is supposed to be good for skin texture, and it's supposed to help to restore healthy levels of collagen in the skin, and that probiotic blend in there is good as well. Like for skin in general, it's good to be using a probiotic just because that helps with gut health, and gut health can definitely be a factor in your skin and if you get breakouts and things like that. So having a probiotic is helpful. So if you guys do want me to do a dedicated review on this, let me know. I can use this more consistently. I wouldn't be able to really probably show you guys results for like wrinkles and fine lines just because I am 25 and I'm not really getting a lot of that yet. So yeah, but I could test it out and show you guys my results for like skin texture. But yeah, so those are all 3 of them. Again, you guys can get these all in a kit if you wanted to try all 3 of them. It is called the Perfect Skin Kit. And again, you guys can get 10% off with the code Danny10. I don't receive any commission if you use that code, but I am just such a fan of Kallistia. I've just seen amazing results from the Acne Cleanse. So that makes me very, very interested in trying more of their products. I'm so impressed by this. Like really, I've just seen such amazing results with this, as you could tell from the pictures that I showed you. Right now, I don't have any active blemishes. I'm just dealing with the leftover hyperpigmentation. So that will be a good time for me to start testing out the Hyperpigmentation Cleanse. But yeah, I've just seen such good results with the Acne Cleanse, and I definitely recommend that if you are struggling with acne, you just want to make sure that you are very consistent in taking them so that you can really see results. And I would definitely recommend testing them out for 3 months, like at least give it 3 months to really see results. Now, I'm not saying it'll take that long. You can definitely see results quicker than that, but to see like really more drastic results, I would say at least give it 3 months. It takes your body to adjust to changes that you make. So when introducing a supplement, I feel like 3 months is a really good time to let your body really adjust to it. But you should definitely start seeing results quicker than that as well. Like even after 1 month, you should definitely start seeing a difference. But basically just give it time. If you guys do want to try any of these, I will have that 10% off discount code listed in the description box below. I will also link the Kallistia website and the Perfect Skin Kit as well of all of these individually in the description box below. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.